Flight crew status check nominal.
So today we are testing our release system, but rather than dropping Talon itself for the very first time, we decided to use a lower value simulated asset representative of the Talon hypersonic aircraft that we can pull on and provide things like simulated aero drag and other inertial properties that we would otherwise have to attach to Talon itself.
Release system 1, enable on.
The mass simulator is suspended by 3 attach points, explosive bolts and nuts, and it is going to fall into an airbag that's from the stunt industry. That airbag will let the mass go to the floor safely, and we don't have to worry about what happens to it afterwards.
Clear to jettison.
It's imperative Talon falls away in a stable, safe manner, and that's what this test measures. And we make sure that all 3 points that are attached are released simultaneously.
Clean release, clean release, clean release.
Great job. That's awesome.
Nice job, guys.